This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a 14-inch round on a black background. This is Glidden Essentials, or Glidden Premium in black, and it's my pillow. This is a pillow that I purchased several months back, and it was just too thin for me. I didn't think I could make it work, and sat around for a while, and it's thickened up enough that it actually works pretty well now. First color down is Pearlescent White. And this is a pigment from Firedots. Added to that, I have just a tad, just a touch of titanium white raw to give it a little bit of tinge. This is Obsidian. This is DecoArt product. This is three colors here. Naples Yellow, Iridescent Gold by Amsterdam, and finally the color down there is Quinacridone Naples Gold. This is Quinacridone Violet, Iridescent Gold, and the cell activator is Lamp Black by Amsterdam. Same colors. I think I might have added a little bit of titanium white cell activator to that. Taking a look at it and see what I want to do, and decided I kind of like the flow from the very beginning, so a lot of modifications wasn't necessary. I'm going to spin it out and get some of the paint off of the canvas. It's important to do so that you don't get crazing and cracking in the paint in the final product. This Quinacridone Violet is new to my palette, and it is actually very useful and it complements so many different colors. So it was a good find. All of my products that I'm using in this are going to be included in the description below in case you wanted to look it up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down in the comments below. I answer everything that comes my way, and I look forward to hearing from you. Just spinning this out a little bit more. You know, some pieces come together very quickly, and this was one of them. And it's probably one of my favorite of the recent past. Okay, it's time for the flyover. And you can see the cells in this are just amazing. I mean, the ring cells there, the peacock cells you see, those Firedots gold nugget really just pops. So I'm overall couldn't be happier about this. And it dried incredibly well. You'll see dried results in just a second. Okay, here are the dried results. And this actually, my room downstairs is a little bit damp. It takes a little longer for things to dry. If you found this video today useful, I invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding them useful and enjoyable. Thanks for being here today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye now.